So I'm just testing out a new camera, but the rest of the footage from this video is stuff that I filmed in the fall. Since it's a really old tree, I didn't have to worry about training the branches. I pretty much just took off the dead wood and any unproductive branches. And I'm pretty sure that the type of apple is a Macintosh. When I bought the property, I actually didn't even know that there was an apple tree on it, so I'm pretty happy about that. I probably would have eventually planted my own fruit trees, so it's nice that there's already a tree here that's providing fruit. So this is fun. There was a little piece of gravel in my garage, and I went to pick it up and underhand toss it behind my back, and I heard something. I turned around and I hit the back windshield of my car. The glass in the back of a car is designed to shatter into millions of little pieces. And the glass on the front windshield of the car is laminated and designed to stay in one piece. I was going to just order a new windshield and install it myself, but I needed it done sooner rather than later, so I just had a shop replace it. I conveniently found this little cedar ready for transplant. So being an abandoned property, I've got a lot of building materials and garbage lying around, and I try and make use of it whenever I can. This is just a fluorescent light fixture from the garage that I'm just going to use as sheet metal to cut out a piece that will prevent the fire pit from scorching the ground below it.